Hi everyone, how are you today? I had a question last night. Can you use Dayquil for your dogs? And the answer is absolutely not. No way, no how. It has stuff in it that is like poison to your dog, so do not ever give your dog NyQuil or Dayquil. In fact, vets recommend if your dog has a cough, a kennel cough, or just a cold cough, use honey and of juice. Now what you do is you take a tablespoon of honey and about a half a teaspoon of lemon juice and pour it in about a 6-ounce glass of water and then syringe it to your dog. You can double that if you think, if your dog's bigger. This is for more of the smaller dogs. So that's what you use for a cough for your dogs. Now, if you think it's an allergy, you can also give it a Benadryl. But now you want to call your vet to see how much of a Benadryl you can give them, because you can't, for a little dog, cannot give them a whole Benadryl. So that is my advice for today. I'm sorry it's short. I've been to the doctor all day and I just come home and make a little quickie video here. So I hope you understand. Do not give them Dayquil or NyQuil. Honey and lemon is all you need. Real lemon juice and water. And as always, I want you to subscribe to my channel. If you think I'm giving any good advice for your dog, please subscribe. Excuse me. And I love my fur babies.